Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. Today we're going to be learning the elbow toss. The elbow toss is a really cool move that I first saw by Todd Rex. Essentially, the whip wraps around your elbow, is grabbed at the thong, and thrown into the air. When you catch it, you can immediately go into a cattleman's crack. To start, we're going to want to pinch the handle at the bottom with our index finger and our thumb. If you've seen our wrist roll tutorial, it's the very same idea. So, pinch the handle, swing the whip up, and let the handle come all the way down so that it runs parallel with your forearm. You want to swing up as though you're doing a cattleman's crack, but let the whip continue and follow its natural momentum. Notice how the thong swings up under my elbow and comes up towards my hand. This is exactly what we want. We want the thong to come as close to our hand as possible because when it swings up, we have to let go of the handle and catch the thong. As the thong swings up, let go of the handle with your index finger and thumb and move your hand forward just slightly to grab the thong. The whip handle should swing underneath you like this. When it's swinging, as it moves forward, give it a little force and throw it up into the air. You want to throw the whip nice and high so that as it comes down, it's fully rotated, the thong is behind you and the handle's coming down with the end of the handle pointing behind you as well. Catch the handle with your palm facing up. Like this. After you've caught it, you can swing the whip up and do a cattleman's crack. The elbow toss is a really visually impressive move, and it's a toss that allows you to throw the whip really, really high into the air if you want to. You can also throw it lower for more consistency. You can throw it between hands. So play around and see what you discover. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to learn more about whips and whip cracking, check out our website at CanadaWhips.com.